I'm Suzanne Kasler from Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm here in my beautiful office with my fabulous team. Our offices are located right next door to ADAC, the big design center here in Atlanta. It's a fabulous place to be a designer. There is so much energy and design focus in our city. I do think that designers are no longer just interior designers. I talk about what we're really trying to do for our clients is create a lifestyle. How do people want to live in their space? Are they going to work in their rooms? And obviously today, are they going to be having Zoom meetings or are they just having family time? So I think that today there's so many dimensions to creating a lifestyle. It's actually about a designer talking to our clients about how they're living and how they want to live in that environment. A lot of that will depend on where the house is located. We are seeing a lot of people doing second and third homes, whether it's a beach home, a mountain home. We bring up the fact that you do maybe want to have a home office. It really enables them to be in those homes as much as they want. So we talk to them, even how many people are coming to visit them. And we work with the architects closely in the design process, whether it's a renovation or new building, on making sure that all these ideas get incorporated into that lifestyle. It's also great about going through all your beautiful things that they own. I like having those personal things that I can incorporate in. The biggest change we see and we can make as designers, the first thing we can do is paint. And then we go from there, changing the lampshades. We can change the fabrics, the drapery, the pillows. And then sometimes you can do those things without changing everything in a room. But what we talk about with our clients in creating that lifestyle is to give them a more fresh and modern look. That is something that everybody's asking for today. I talk about they want that edit. And as a designer, we can bring those ideas and translate their thoughts into how they live.